Right, we'll start. So, as all of you are aware that this is data interpretation session for IBPS, RRB Scale 1 and IBPS RRB Office Assistant Prelim exams. Okay, let us start. Question number 1 to 5. Study the following table carefully to answer the question. So, this is the set based on tables. All of you look at this set. This is quite interesting set. Just look at this set. Right. This is your IBPS RRB PO 2021 prelim exam set. See, now you will be surprised by looking at questions in DI which are easy, because see, this is not your main exam where you will have difficult questions, right? This is a prelim exam where you can see the questions are of very basic level. Even RRB clerk questions are a bit easier when compared to RRB PO, but both I can say you can classify them as easy questions. This is your latest 2021 model asked in your RRB PO prelim examination. Let's go through this, then we'll solve the questions. All of you go through this. Go through the set, then I'll give you questions. I'll give you time for solving the questions. We'll solve together. Question by question, I'll give you time. Just go through this table. Once you are done, you tell me. Right, done? Okay. Let's see what is given in the table. Table shows number of male employees and female employees in 3 different companies and total number of employees, males and females, who speak English in each company. An employee in each company speaks only one language, English or Hindi. That means there are no people who speak both the languages. There are people who can speak either English or Hindi. You don't have people who speak both the languages. You can see 3 companies, PQR. We have information about number of male employees, number of female employees, and number of employees who speak English in males and females together. How many can speak English, male and female together? Right? Now, friends, 2-3 observations here. 140 plus 100, if I add males plus females in P, it should be 240 number. What is this 240 mark? Total number of employees. How do you know it is total number of employees? That is given in the data when you read this here. three different companies, total number of employees, males and females. So his meaning is, he's saying that males and females, if you add, you'll get total number of employees. And this last column, if you focus, this is number of employees who speak English, males and females together. It is not only males or only females, it is combination of males and females who speak English. Now, can you tell me, out of 240 people, total employees, 132 speak English, 132, if I subtract, I'll get 108. What about this 108 employees? These people will speak Hindi. This is my second point. Right? So 140 plus 100 is 240 is my total employees. Out of total employees, male and female together, 132 speak English. If I remove English, the remaining 108 speaking Hindi. How do you know, sir? The employees either speak English or they speak Hindi. So 240 minus 132, if I remove, the 108 is nothing but Hindi. Here also, it is 320. 320 is my total number of employees. 320 minus 190 is 130. 130 are the people who speak Hindi. Right? So this is how much, 220, 300, 400, if I add these two. 245 out of 400, 245 are speaking English. So 155 speak Hindi. This is the understanding. So this English part is males and females together. And if I add males and females, I'll get total employees. Total minus, if I remove English, I'll get people who are speaking Hindi. Okay, let me go back to my set. I'll erase this data. Right, this is a given data. Let us take up the questions. First question. I'll give you how much time you want. I'll just put a stopwatch. I'll give you 45 seconds max. Actually, I should give you 30 seconds. I'm giving you 45 seconds. We'll start. I'm starting my watch, stopwatch. Right, let's start. Let's start. First you try, then I'll discuss. Once you get the answer, you can tell me. Right, I have done with my 45 seconds. Any answers, please? Answers? This is a recent exam model, 2021, last year model. Number of females who speak English in company Q is 92. Okay. Now, if I look at company Q, English speaking employees are 190. Males and females together, 190 are English speaking employees. In company Q, females who speak English are 90. Sorry, how much? 92. Right? So total males and females who speak English, 190. Right? We have seen from the data, 190 number Q who speak English, males and females. So this is 98 number males English. Right? So when you know females English, you can find out number of females who speak Hindi. You can also find out number of males who speak Hindi. How will you get? Females English is 92. What are my total females? 140. In 140, 92 speak English. So subtract number 140 minus 92. 48 speak Hindi. If you take English males, 180 total number of males. Out of this 180, how many are speaking English? 98. 180 minus 98. How much? 180 minus 98. 82 speak Hindi. Right? Now what's the question? Find the difference between number of males and females who speak Hindi in the same company. Males Hindi, females Hindi, difference. 82 minus 48. What's the difference? 34. 34 is first option. How 98? Which one? English, males English, right? You know that, see, if you look at Q, one second. If you look at Q, What is this 190 ma? This is males and females who are speaking English now. So males and females who speak English is 190. In that I know females is 92. So 190 minus 92 is 98. That is leftover people are out of this 190 are speaking English, 92 are females. So 98 should be males English. Got it, Abhinay? Fine. Any other questions? No. Now you understood the concept, right? So how to solve? Let us take up next question then. Question number 2. Try this one. Question number 2. Write down the data at one place, then I'll show you the table. 57 1/7% of total number of employees who speak English in R is males. Okay. 57 1/7%. Anybody? It is how much? 4/7. 4/7 of total employees who speak English in R is males. And then find the difference between number of female employees who speak English in R, total number of employees who speak Hindi in P. Okay. Let us gather the information. Total employees who speak English in R, 4/7 are males. R who speak English is 245. Right? 4/7 are English total, 245. In R, males English is 4/7 into 245. 7 3s 21, 7 5s. So it is 140 males English. If males English are 140, how much should be female English? 105 more. Because total 245 minus 140, it is 105 female English. You can find out what's the question difference between number of female employees who speak English in R. Okay, we got it. Female employees who speak English in R, 105. Total number of employees who speak Hindi in P. How will you get total employees who speak Hindi in P? I explained you in the beginning. Total employees are 240. Out of these 240, 132 are speaking English. What's the difference? 108. This 108 are speaking Hindi. So P, total employees who speak Hindi, P Hindi is 108. So difference between these two, that's the question. Difference between these two is 3. Any questions? Any questions? No. Clear all of you? Clear all of you? Yes. Fine. Let's move ahead. This question you want me to repeat again. Okay. I'll erase this and repeat. 57 1/7% is 4/7. 4/7 of total employees who speak English in R are males. So if you look at R, total employees who are speaking English, number of employees who speak English are 245. R who are speaking English, 245. Out of these 245, males are 4/7. 57 1/7% is 4/7. So males English 4/7 of 245. 7 3s 21, 35, 7 5s 140. Right? 120 plus 20, 140. Now can I find out females who speak English? We can do that, right? 245 total people, males and females who speak English. 140 are males. If I subtract 245 minus 140, it is 105. 105 are females who speak English. So look at the question. Difference between female employees who speak English in R, that is this one, and total number of employees who speak Hindi in P. Total employees who speak Hindi in PCR, what are my total employees? 240 now, males plus females. So 240 minus, I told you at the beginning, subtract the people who are speaking English. Out of 240, how many are speaking English? 132. So what's the difference? 108. This 108 is Hindi because they speak either English or Hindi. Out of 240, 132 are speaking English. So 108 should speak Hindi. So P Hindi, P Hindi total 108. Is asking you difference between these two. Females English in R, P Hindi. The difference is 3. Option 3. Clear? Anubhav? Yes. Okay. Let's move to the next question then. Okay. What's the third question? Okay. Take down the data. We'll discuss. Note down the data. We'll discuss. Sakshi Misra. Kritika Shukla. Any questions, ma? Right, go through this data. 75% of total number of females in Q, out of total females, 75% in Q speak English, and number of female employees who speak English in P is 62. Okay. Number of males who speak Hindi in Q, okay, is what percentage more or less than number of males who speak English in P. So two different companies is asking about what? Q and P. Let us look at P. 75% of total females speak English. Females 140. 75% of this speak English. Females English. 75% is 3 by 4 of 140. 4 3 is 12, 20. 35 3 is 105. Now total who are speaking English is 190. Out of this 105 are females. What's the remaining 85 males? This is females. Right? 3 by 4, 75% is 3 by 4 of females speak English. So 105. Females English is 105. Males English is how much? 85. 190 total minus 105 is 85. Okay. Number of females who speak English in P is 62. Females English is 62. Females who speak English in P is 62. Look at P. 132 nama. So 62 are females. 132 minus 62, 70 are males. Males English 70. What's the question? Number of males who speak Hindi in Q. Okay, Q, I want males who speak Hindi. Okay, is what percent more or less the number of males who speak English in P? We have number of males who speak English in P, 70. Males Hindi we have to find out. Look at Q. Q, what are total number of males? 180. Q males 180 total. Out of this 180, how many are speaking English? 85. So if I subtract 95, this 95 will speak Hindi. So males Hindi 95, males English 70. Obviously it is more. So percentage more. 95, 70. Difference 25. Opposite of more will be the denominator. Lesser value 70 into 100. So it is 250 by 7. 7 3 is 21, 40. 7 5 is 35. So 35.71. Or I can do like this here. 250 by 7. Now approximately 7 3s are 21, 40. 7 6 are 42. But in fact, slightly less than 36 should be my answer. If it is 42, it is 36, but it is 40. So slightly less than 36. Slightly less than 36 is 35.71%. Option 2. Any questions you can ask me? This is your PO level, ma. RRB PO prelim level. Any questions, ma? Do you want me to repeat this? Do you want me to repeat? It's not handout, it's in the PPT, Pranav. Right? Let's move ahead then. Next question. Actually, graph and this should be on one thing. Okay. Next time I'll put like that. Look at this. Ratio of total employees who speak Hindi in all three companies to the total number of male employees in P and Q together. P plus Q males, and we want Hindi speaking in P plus Q plus R. This is simple now. See, P plus Q males, add these 320. Hindi in all three companies. How will you get Hindi? If I add this, it is 240 total employees. 240 minus 132. It is 108. If I subtract English, I'll get Hindi people now. People who speak Hindi. Similarly, add this 320 now. Out of 320, subtract 190. So 130 speak Hindi. This is 400. Out of 400, 245 are speaking English. So 155 are speaking Hindi. Add this 93. It is 393. All states together who are speaking Hindi. So what is the ratio coming around? 393 is to 320. Do we have an option here? Yes. 393 is to 320. Option 4. Option 4. This is the answer. Take a screenshot. You will understand. Percentage once again in question 3. Okay, Abhinay, I'll explain. First, take a screenshot of this. Is clear now. I want ratio of people who speak Hindi. Total minus English speaking is Hindi 393. Males in P plus Q. Add these to 320. The ratio you're getting. Right? Now, look at this. Third question. Percentage you want. Right? So it is 25 by 70. I'll take it with a different ink. What I'm trying to say is 25 by 70 into 100. Actually, you can make an approximation. Sorry, answer is, it is more now. My mistake. Sorry. It is 35.71% more. It is percentage more now. So this is males Hindi 95, males English in P 70. So it is more now. So you are calculating percentage more. You have to be careful in the exam. 35.71% more. So I have both the options, less and more. It is more. Now, what you try to do is, options are quite far away. You can make an approximation. What I am trying to tell you is, cancel 0, 0. It will be 250 by 7. I am saying 250 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 4 remaining, now 40. I am saying 7 6s are 42. If it is 42, it is 36%. But it is 40. 42, 40 is slightly less number. So my answer should be slightly less than 36%. So 35.71. Both options are there. It is more number. So 35.71% more. Okay. Fourth question to take screenshot. I will show you. Take a screenshot. Okay, right. Next question. This is a little lengthy question. Write down the data in the paper, then I'll show you the table. You can try. Write down the data in the table, then I'll show you the table. You can try. A ratio of number of females who speak Hindi to English in R. Females Hindi to English in R 24 is to 23. R, I'll take R. In R, females Hindi is to females English 24 is to 23. That's the ratio. Females Hindi is to females English 24 is to 23. Number of females who speak Hindi in company Y. There is another company Y. He's giving information about Y. 36 less than number of males who speak English in R. Okay. If the ratio of number of males to females who speak Hindi in Y is 4 is to 3, how many employees in company Y speak Hindi? It's a simple question. It is, we are saying 4 or 5 lines, but actually it is simple one. So R, I have females English, females Hindi, males English, males Hindi. I can put down this. Out of R, the ratio of females who speak Hindi to English is 24 is to 23. How many females are in R? 188. 24 is to 23. Generally, how will we do? What are total parts? 47. So, one part value 188 by 47. How much? 4 times 1 part. So, it is 24 parts. 96. This is 23 parts. 92. Females Hindi 96. Females English 92. 188 total. See, you can also solve like this. Females Hindi 24 by 4 time waste into 188. 47 goes 4 times. 24 into 4, 96. I am saying combined total 188. So add these two parts. It is 47. 188 by 47 is 4. So 1 part 4. Females Hindi 24 parts. 24 into 4, 96. Then females Hindi 23. English 23 parts. 23 into 4, 92. Now here, you know, females English 92, females Hindi 96, females English 92. When you know total English in R, males and females 245, 92 are females. These are females. Subtract 153 are males. Males what? Who speak English. So males English 153. What are total males? Males are 212. So 212. Subtract 153. 59 are people who speak males who speak Hindi. Males Hindi 59. So from this given data, R out of females, Hindi is to English speaking 24 is to 27. Total 47 parts 188. Each part 4. Females Hindi 24 into 4 96. Females English 23 into 4 92. When you know females English, substitute here. Total males and females English 245, females are 92, so remaining are males 153. Out of total males, 153 are speaking English, remove 59 are speaking Hindi. I got the basic data. Now here he's talking about another company Y. What is he talking about Y? What is he talking about Y? Females who speak Hindi in Y, females Hindi in Y. 36 less than males who speak English in R. Males English in R 153. So it is 36 less. 153 minus 36. It is 117 females Hindi. Right. Then he has given ratio of males to females who speak Hindi is 4 is to 3. Here in under Y, males Hindi is to females Hindi is 4 is to 3. Right? We know females in the 3 parts is 117. Males in the 4 parts, how much? 339 times. 39 into 4, 156. Actually, you do like this. 4 into 117 by 3. 39 into 4, 156. Right? So, males Hindi is 156. What's the question? How many employees in Y speak Hindi? Total employees in Y who speak Hindi is males and females. So how much, ma'am? 273. 117 plus 156. It is 273. 273 is present in option 2. 273 is present in option 2. Any questions can be asked. No questions? Shall we move ahead then? Okay, fine. Rose, any questions? Rose Thomas? Fine. We'll move in. Directions for 6 to 10. So again, it is based on table. Look at this table. Look at this table. Information below shows difference between number of males and females in 000. Okay, Rose. In thousands, in 00. And the percentage of males in 2 cities P and Q in 2 years. This also last year DI set. RRB POs, RRB PO Prelim 2021 set. RRB PO Prelim 2021 set. C. Difference between C. Here I don't have males information, females information. I have difference between males and females. Right? Those males and females, it is given in thousands. So obviously it is 18,000. It is 14,000. It is 40,000. It is 64,000. Difference between number of males and females in thousands. And percentage of males in 2 cities P and Q in 2 years. So in 18, this is the information about 18 one. This is the information about 19 one. 19, what's the difference between males and females, and what's the percentage of males? Right? Anybody? How to solve this? First thing, most of the questions will be males here, females there, females here, males here. So it is better when you see this is not the complete data, this table. Here, you don't have how many males, how many females. That information is not clearly given. We got different. So it is better you find out number of males and number of females in PQ in 2018. How many males? How many females? Similarly, in 2019, you find out how many males, how many females. There are only 2 cities now, P and Q. Let's find out how to find. That is important here. 56% is males now. So female should be 46% now. Right? 56 minus 46 is how much? Oh, sorry, females is 44. Total should be 100 now. So female should be 44%. Right? 56 minus 44 is 12%. What is this 12%? Difference between this is male percentage, this is female percentage. What is actual difference between males and females? 18,000. So 12%, 18,000. 1%, 18,000 by 12. 1,500 more. 1%, 1,500. So males are 56%. Males are 56% and females are 44%. Right? You can calculate now. 56 into 15, 2 zeros in 1,500. 15,690, 84,000. Similarly, 44%. 44 into 1,500. So 2 zeros, 15,460, 66,000. Now look at this, 49% males, female should be 51, total should be 100 now. So difference is how much? 2%. This 2%, 14,000. 2%, 14,000. 1%, 14,000 by 2, 7,000. So 49%, 49 into 7, 49 into 7,000. So 3 zeros. 57 is 350, So 49.7 means 343. 57s are 350 now. It is 49.7, so 343. Now look at this. 3 zeros. 51 into 7. 57 is 350. One more 7 extra. 357. Right. So is the difference 14? Yes, 14. Is the difference 18 here? Yes, 18 here. Similarly, find out for 2019. This is male 60% now. Female should be 40 because total should be 100. So what's the difference? Not 20%. So 20% value, 40,000. Simple. Females 40%, double, 80,000. Male 60%, 3 times, 1,20,000. Right? This is 54% males. So female should be 46%. So what's the difference? 8%. So 8%, 64,000. 1%, 64,000 by 8 is 8,000. 1%, 8,000 means 54% into 8 times now. So 8,000, 3 zeros will be here. 54 into 8, 400, 432. Similarly, 46 into 8,000, 3 zeros. 46 into 8, 320 plus 48, 368, 3,68,000. Difference 64, difference is 40. So I got male values, female values in 2018 and 2019. This, if you can write it on your rough sheet, I think you can solve the questions easily. Because you don't have directly, see, this is the first time last year where he has given this set, where no direct information, males and females. You have to find out from the given table. Once we get these values, I can put it in table now. See, we got 84, 66, 3,43, 3,57, 1,20,000, 80,000. 4,32,000, 3,68,000. We got PQ. We have found out males and females. We got it. So I think you can try the questions. I'll give you 45 seconds of time. Try this question. Question number 6. Any questions you can ask me? No questions. Okay, fine. Try this one. Answer, ma. If you give answers, I'll be happy, ma. Don't use your calculator, ma. Without calculator, you try. We got all the values now. Female population of P in 2018 is what approximate percentage of female population of Q in 2018? Female population of P is 66. I can ignore zeros now, 3 zeros. It is 66 by female population of Q is 357 into 100. Right? See, options are quite far away. 30%, 28%, 42%, 8. Let's see. How much is 10%? 10%. Simple one. See, 36. Approximately that. See, it is that actually 35.7 now. It's 35.7. Approximately, let me say, they're quite far away now. 36 now. 20%. Double, 72. Now, what is the value? See, don't even check 30. My answer saying 20%, 72. What is my value here? 66. My answer should be less than 20% because it is less than 72. Less than 20%. How many options I have? Less than 20, less than 20, less than 20. Only one of this is It can't be 8 number because 10%, I need 66 number, 10% 36. It can't be less than, I need more than that. Between 10 and 20 I can say. So less than 20% and close to that 66. There is only one option. Why are you calculating? This was exactly the same question given in the last year exam. If you see 10%, you 35.7, you won't even leave this 0.7. You waste your time here, right? 20% 70 plus what? 71.4. मुझे कितना ज्यादा मिला? 66, 5.4 ज्यादा. मुझे 5.4 subtract करना है. 1% 3.5. Why are you getting into all this? One not required. No, just see if the options are multiple, if they are close, then you can't help. You have to do the exact calculation. Why I'm saying 10% 36, roughly 20% 72, 66 is less than 72. So less than 20%, there's only one option. Rest of them are more than 20, and this can't be 8 clearly because 10% 36, I want 66. Why it can't be 8? So my answer is over. You've taken so much of time, right? 19% correct, Bharti and Anubhav. Okay, let us take up next question. This is simple number. Difference between male population in P and Q in 2018. Male population, male population in P and Q 3,43,000 minus, see, ignore 3 zeros now, I can put it later. 343 minus 84. 84 plus how much is 43 ma? Hello, subtractions. 84 plus how much is 43 ma? 59. If I add 59, I will not get 43, I'll get 143. 1 carry forward. 1 plus how much is 3 ma? 2. So 259 followed by, don't ignore zeros. See, there is 259 option. Don't mark it by mistake. You are ignoring me. I'm cutting means I'm ignoring. It does not mean it should not take, right? In my answer, I'll have to add 3 zeros. 2,59,000. Correct, Bharti. Correct. Correct, Anubhav. Right. Next question. Find the increase in total population in both cities from 18 to 19. You can find out the answer, but how will you find out? That is important. Can somebody explain me how will you find out the increase in total population from 18 to 19? Okay, I'll give you the time. You'll solve, you'll get the answer. I'm pretty sure, but can you tell me how will you get the answer? What's the procedure? Nobody is answering me. See, you can calculate. I'm not denying that. How? That's the question. How are you doing that? See, by observation, can I say 2019 values are more than 2018 values? So clearly 19 is more than 18. You take P city or Q city, definitely it is increasing. So how much increase? I'm saying instead of adding these two subtracting, I'm saying just here 84 1,20,000 16 plus 20, it is increasing by 36,000 increase. At 66 and 80, 14,000 increase. So 2018 to 19, P 36 plus 14, 50,000 increase. Compare like this. 3,43,000, 4,32,000. 89,000 increase. Simple number. For 3,43,000, it is 4,43,000. 3,43,000 to 4,43,000, it will be 1 lakh number. But it is 4,32,000. So 11 less. So 11,000 less means it is 89,000 increase. 3,57,000, 3,68,000, 11,000 clearly increase. 89 plus 11, 1 lakh increase. What's the overall increase? 50,000 there, 1 lakh here, 1,50,000. Option 3. Nothing difficult, no? Nothing difficult. No? Right, next question. Ratio of male population of P in 2018, female population of Q in 2019. See, you can ignore males in 2018 is 84, females in Q in 2019 3,368,000. You can ignore zeros, right? So 84 is to 368, 421s, 492s. 21 is to 92. Option 5. Correct, Bharti. Anubhav, previous question. Eighth question. Okay, let's see. Two ways in which you can do this one. 84 plus 66 is how much one? 1,50,000. Right? 1,20,000 plus 80 is how much one? 2 lakhs. So increase is 50,000. Add these two. 53, 43. Numbers are easy, you can add one. But other approach also I will tell you. Just listen this. Add these two. So how much more? 53, 43 is 1 lakh. Now 4 plus is 7 lakhs. 32, 68 is 1 lakh. Now 7 plus 1, 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs, 7 lakhs. So increase is 1 lakh. So what is the overall increase? 1,50,000. I'm saying 84,000. Instead of adding this, you can also compare male to male, female to female. You can also do like that. You can directly add or you do like whichever is convenient, you can do that depending on the question. 84 to 1,20,000. So it is an increase of 36,000. 66 to 84, increase of 14,000. So overall increase will be 50,000. 3,43,000, 3,57,000, 4,32,000, 3,68,000. Right? So here to here, the increase is 89,000. 3,43,000 become 4,43,000. It is 1 lakh. It has become 4,32,000, 11,000 less, 89,000. Here to here, increase is 11,000. 89 plus 11, 1 lakh. You can also, I have just given you different approach. That's all. 1,50,000. Or add these two, subtract. You will get 1,50,000. Simple question. Nothing to worry. Okay. 10th question. I'll give you 45 seconds. Try this one. I've done 6, 7, 8, 9. Try this one. Simple question. This one also. P 2019, 1,20,000 plus 80, 2 lakh people total. Total is 2 lakh, right? Out of females, 55% are literates. It is easy to calculate now. Female literates. 55%. 50% plus 5%. 50% is 40,000. 5% will be 4,000. So 44,000 are female literates, 55% value. Right? Then he has given illiterates, total number of illiterates are 75,000. Subtract out of total, 75,000 are illiterates. So 1,25,000 are literates. So total literates 1,25,000. Find male literates. Total literates 1,25,000. Out of that, female literates are 44,000. What's the difference? 81,000 are male literates. Choice one. Correct, Bharti. Correct. but you have to be little fast. That's all of you. You can do this, but you have to be little careful. See, first set was little complicated in terms of calculation. This was pretty simple. Only thing is that if you write males, females, males, females from the table, if you don't write for every question, you go and try, then it will be time consuming. Right? So let's take up the next set. 11 to 15. 11 to 15 is table. This is RRB clerk. I am not discussing this one. Just take a screenshot. 2021 prelim. It is very easy. You can try. I'll show you the questions. You can take a screenshot. Start taking screenshot. This is only data. Very simple table. Based on this, your questions. 11th question, answer 1. You take a screenshot. You can try later on. This is table RRB clerk 2021. 11th question, option 1. 12th question, option 2. Take a screenshot. 13th question, option 3. You try, you will get it. 14th question, option 4. 15th question, option 5. Basically, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are not taken screenshot, once again, this is a table, RRB clerk 2021 prelim table. This is 11th question. 12th question. 13th question. 14th question. This is for you to practice. 15th question. Right. Any questions? Right. Then next set for you. Line graph and table. It is line graph and table. Line graph and table, and answer the questions carefully. Combination. These are called combination DI sets. Combination DI sets. RRB 2020 model. Combination DI sets. So combination means two pie charts, or it may be pie plus table, or it may be line plus table, or it may be bar plus table, like that. RRB 2020. RRB 2020. Look at the set. Line graph shows number of employees in 5 companies, PQRST. Table shows ratio of male employees to female employees of the company. Table we have ratio of male and female, and this line graph shows total number of employees. Okay, let me write this here. P 3900 total. Just copy here. 3900. Q total 2100. 3300 is R. 2700 and 3000. Why back and forth? I am writing these total values here. Now, can you find out number of men and number of women? We can do that, right? We know the ratio. 2:1. So total 3 parts, 3900. 39 by 3, 1 part value is 1300. So 13 into 2, 2600. I'll put the different ink. Each part 1300 number. 13 into 2, 2600. 1 part means 1300. Similarly, add these to 3:4, 7 parts, 2100. 1 part, orally we can do, for your understanding, I am writing 1 part, 300. So 3 parts, 3 into 3, 900. 4 parts, 3 into 4, 1200. 6:5, 11 parts, 3300. 1 part, 3300 by 11. Each part is 300. So 6 into 3, 1800. 5 into 3, 1500. So 5:4, 9 parts, 2700. All are 300. But 2700 by 9, it should be 300. 3 1500, 4 into 3 1200, 2 is to 3, 5 parts 3000. So each part orally we can do. Actually, you need not write. Each part 600. So 600 into 2 1200, 600 into 3 1800. So we got total, we got men, we got women. No need to look at the line graph, no need to look at the table, no need to look at anywhere, but just look at your rough sheet, you can answer the questions, right? I'll put this in a tabular form. Total employees 3900, 21, 33, so on, 2600, 900, 1800, 1500, 1200. Women 13, 12, 15, 12, 18, 18. So same thing I have taken it. See that graph, total employees, ratio male and men and women, I have taken it here. Right? So try 16th question. Try 16th question. Right? Answers? Anybody have given answer? Correct, Bharati. Correct, Anubhav. Pranav, correct. Total number of, once you get this data, questions will be simple. Total number of women employees in Q and S is what percentage more than women employees in R? Women employees in Q and S, 12 plus 12, Q and S, 24. What percentage more than women employees in R? 15. You can ignore zeros now. Q and S 24, R is 15. Don't, what percentage more? Difference 9, opposite of more smaller value 15 into 100. 3 threes, 3 fives. 3 by 5, you know it is 60%. Good, good. Okay. Next question, I will start the watch again. Right. Ready? 17. Start. Fast. Once you get these values, questions should not take much time. Hey, time up. Time up. Enough time here. What is there? Must a simple question, no? Number of employees of another company M. We don't have about information about M. I'm writing. Number of employees is 66 2 by 3%. 66 2 by 3% means 2 by 3 more than that of Q. Q what are total employees? 2100. So M total employees will be 2100 plus how much more? 2/3 more. 2/3 of 2100. 700 into 2, 1400 more. So it is 3500. Right? So M total 3500. Number of male employees in M 50% more than Q. So obviously 50% more. This is 900. 50% is half. 450 more. 900 plus 450 is 1350. So number of women employees in M. So subtract number. So 50 plus 50 is 100. 14 plus 21. If I subtract 2150, option 3. Correct, Bharti? But you have to be little fast, all of you. Simple question. Now it's not a difficult question. Right, 18th question. Ratio of total number of male employees in Q and S to that of women employees in R and T. You can do this. Q plus S males is to R plus T females or women. Q and S males 24. Anyways, you can ignore zeros. And R and T women 15 plus 18 33. 3 8s, 3 11s. 8 is to 11. Option 1. Choice 1. Correct. Correct, Abhinay. Your answer also correct for the previous question. Correct one. Bharti, you got the answer for this question? Correct. Right. 19th question. Average number of women employees in all the companies together. Simple number. Add number. 13 plus 12, 25 plus 15, 40 plus 52 plus 18, 70. So 7,000 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 companies. 1400. Choice 5. Average is sum of all quantities divided by total number of quantities. So add all females, 7,000 divided by 5 companies, 1400. Correct. Choice 5. Anubhav, correct. Okay. Next question 20. Find the difference between male employees in P and R. P plus R males. P P and R males 26 plus 18 44. 4400 I am taking 44. S and T males. S and T males 15 plus 12 27. 44 minus 27 is 17. So 20 1700. Choice 2. Correct, Marty. Good. Good. It's a simple set. It's a simple set. Line plus table. It was your RRB PO set. But if you put it in tabular form, the values, it is easy. See, always remember, main exam DI may be slightly difficult, calculations intensive paper will be there. Prelim exam, speed and accuracy are important. So if you follow the basics like learning multiplication tables, percentage reciprocal values, then squares, cubes, the basic fundamentals which you are discussed, if you learn that, I'm saying DA in prelim exam, even in IBPS PO, SBA PO, out of 15 questions, guys, comfortably, friends, you can solve 8 to 10 questions. 3 sets, see, even, we generally suggest start with the set which you are comfortable with. Let's say you're comfortable with table, start with table. You're comfortable with line and table combination, start with that. If you're comfortable with bar graph, start with that. If you're comfortable with pie chart, start. No restriction. Anything you're comfortable with, you can start with that. That's a strong set. Second, we suggest leave caselet in the exam. Leave caselet meaning do not attempt ahead of simplification. It is ahead of approximation, ahead of any other DI set. Do not attempt caselet ahead of your quadratic equations like that. So what you need to do is caselets in prelim exam will be easy. Main exam definitely lengthy caselet. Prelim also, if you get stuck, then you will have a problem. So that is why we keep on telling start with easy areas. Like first, if you look at your quant section, broadly you have simplification approximations, quadratic equations, number series, missing number, wrong number, individual questions, quant questions, and data interpretation. If you go to your main exam, you have data sufficiency, data comparison. Any prelim exam, data sufficiency, data comparison are very, very rare. I'm not saying they will not ask. They'll reduce the difficulty level, they may ask. One odd slot in exams like IBPS PO and SBA PO, you find questions on data comparison and data sufficiency. But broadly, data sufficiency, data comparison generally for main exam. So what I suggest is start with simplification approximation questions, then do your number series questions, then do your quadratic comparisons, easy things. Then what you need to do is do your individual questions. Out of 10 to 15 generally asked. So identify some 7, 8 and try them, easy questions, and try to solve them. DA 3 sets given, select any 2 sets and solve them. Time permits, I'll solve 3. So while choosing, if there is any case set, just push it towards the end one. These points you have to keep in mind. And DA in prelim exam, see, this will be the level. These are your actual DA level. Prelim exam won't be tough. There are many people who are afraid of DA. It is very easy. They are afraid of puzzles in reasoning. Last time we have done puzzles. Puzzles are also easy. If you write down the clues one after the other, I'm saying it is not a difficult task at all. Particularly clearing prelim exam is not a difficult task. Main exam is also not difficult. Only thing is that you have to be good at your GK and other areas. You need to practice little more in depth because concept will be tested in main exam. But prelim exam, they are very basic level questions which you should be able to do. Right? So I'm just giving you an what you call the understanding of the prelim level dilemma. So don't worry about prelim level dilemma. Even it is SBA PO exam also, it won't be difficult. This is the level, right? Let's move on to the next set. 21 to 25, it's a bar graph. Again, this bar graph was there in one of the slots in RRB PO 2021 last year. RRB PO prelim 2021. 2021. RRB PO prelim 2021. Go through this set, then we'll discuss. Just go through the data, we'll discuss. Bar graph shows number of toys of the same type made by each of the 5 persons PQRST on Thursday and Friday. So 5 persons have made toys for the first bar graph is Thursday, the second one is Friday. Number of toys made is given. I think this should be a simple set. By what percentage? Question number 21. Number of toys made by Q and S together on Friday. Q plus S together on Friday. More than number of toys made by P on Thursday. Just look at the graph. Q and S on Friday. Friday Q, Friday S. 55 plus 50, 105. More than P on Thursday. P on Thursday, 35. Sorry, 75. What percentage more? Difference 30 by opposite of more is lesser value, smaller value, 75 into 100. 25 fours, 25 threes. 3 goes 10 times. 10 into 4, 40%. Option 4. It's a simple set, not that difficult. Difference between average number of toys made by PQR on Thursday, number of toys made by S and T together on Friday. P plus Q plus R Thursday, we want average. S plus T together, we want their total on Friday. I can look at the graph now. S and T Friday, 50, T 60. 50 plus 60, 110. Average already we have discussed. Sum of all quantities by total number of quantities. PQR Thursday. Thursday first bar. 75 plus 45. 120 plus 60. 180. Average means 180 by 3 companies. So it is 60. So what's the question? Difference. 110 and 60. What's the difference between these two? 50. Right? Any questions? Correct, Bharti. Correct, Anubhav. Correct one. Great. Next set, 23. Ratio of total number of toys made by Q on both days to that made by R and T on Friday. Q Thursday and Friday is to R plus T on Friday. R and T Friday you see 55, 60, 115. Q total on Thursday and Friday. Q total 45 plus 55 is 100. 520s, 523s. 20 is to 23. Choice 3. Correct. Bharti and Argo. 24th. Number of toys made by Q on Saturday, 11 1 by 9%. You should be thorough with your reciprocal values. 11 1 by 9% is nothing but 1 by 9, more than that of Thursday. Okay. Number of toys made by S on Saturday, okay, is 9 more than that made by Q on Saturday. Total number of toys made by S on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Q Saturday, how many toys? It is 11 1 by 9% more than Thursday. 1 by 9 more than Thursday. Q Thursday is 45. 1 by 9 of 45. So it is 5 more. So 45 plus 5. 5 more now. Thursday 45. 1 by 9th more. So 5 more. 50. Right. So number of toys made by S on Saturday, 9 more than that made by Q on Saturday. So Q has made 50 marks. So S is 9 more. 50 plus 9, 59. What's the question? Total number of toys made by yes on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thursday, Friday, 45 plus 50, 95 plus 59. 95 plus 60 is 115, one less, so it is 114. 1 second. 154, sorry. Addition mistake, but it is 154. 45 plus 50 is 95, plus 60 is 155. So it is 1 less, so 154. 154. Option 4. Correct. Bharti and Anbu. Others are not replying. What happened? Okay, last question. Total number of toys made by PRT on Friday. P plus R plus T. Total toys on Friday. How much more than total toys made by Q and S on? Simple question. Thursday. PRT Friday. P R T. 65 plus 55. 120 plus 60. 180. Q and S on Thursday. 45 plus 45. 90. 180 minus 90. It should be 90. Okay, let's move ahead. So this was your bar graph 2020 model, but this is clerk model, bar graph clerk model, RRB clerk 2020. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot. I'll give you the key. Clerk will be easier than PO. You can try this. Take a screenshot. 26th, third option. Take a screenshot. 27th, first option. 28th, fourth option. 29th, third option. 30th, fifth option. This is RRB clerk 2021. Once again, I'll show you. You can take a screenshot from here. RRB clerk 2021. Take a screenshot. We can try these questions later on. We have actual 2021 caselet going forward. Venn diagram based caselet. RRB PO 2021 slightly increase the difficulty level. But yeah, we'll discuss that. You have to understand Venn diagram to answer that. Okay. Next one. Study the following pie chart. This is RRB PO model. RRB PO model. RRB PO Prelim model. Right. Try this one. Percentage wise distribution of total quantity of fuel consumed by 6 bikes in a week. Okay. So we traveled 600 kilometers. So mileage is 60 kilometers per liter. So 600 kilometers means it has consumed 10 liters. What's the consumption by ACF? So B consumption 16%, 10 liters. ACF is 42%. How much? 420 by 16, 26.25 liters. Okay, try this. Look at this question. In the week, quantity of fuel consumed by all bikes is 60 liters. Find the difference between distance traveled by bikes C and E and A and D together. Right? What's the fuel consumed by all bikes for? 60 liters. Okay. So distance traveled by C and E and A and D together. How will you do this one? It is consumed total consumption in this week is 60 liters. Distance traveled by, difference in distance traveled by C and E and A and D. C plus E, A plus D, distance traveled difference. Try this one. Anubhav, we will discuss one. 31. You look at this first. Any answers? Correct. How, Bharti? Correct, Bharti. How? What is 3 by 5 of 60? Why 3 by 5? Why 3 by 5? Right. So what I'm trying to say is, look at the consumption. Correct, Bharti. 60 liters equal to 100%, right? You're adding all these. Right. I'll explain. See, total consumption 60 liters now is, how will you find out the difference in distances? Difference in distance is nothing but difference in consumption of fuel. What's the consumption of fuel mass C and E? 24 plus 10, 34%. Consumption of fuel at A and D, 38%. So what's the difference between these two? 4%. 4% of 60 liters of consumption, 4%. 1%, 0.6 liters, 4%, 0.6 into 4, 2.4 liters. This is a difference in consumption. So for 1 liter, you can travel 60 kilometers. For 2.4 liters, 2.4 into 60, 24 into 6, 144 kilometers. Choice 2. Okay, you have done that way. Fine. Now, see, you understood? No? Difference in distance. Don't find out each distance separately and waste your time. What is the consumption of C and E? 24 plus 10, 34. Consumption of A and D, 20 plus 18, 38. What is difference in consumption? 4%. 4% is 2.4 liters difference. So difference in distance will be into 60 kilometers only. No? The difference in their consumption is 2.4 liters. So 2.4 liters extra, one of these A plus D is consuming. So 2.4 liters extra means what is the extra distance it is traveling? 1 liter 60 kilometers. 2.4 into 60, it is 144 kilometers. Right? Next question. Look at 33. Look at 33. Cost of fuel per liter 100 rupees. Distance traveled by bike D in the week is 480 kilometers. Total cost of fuel consumed by A and B in the week. So D traveled 480 kilometers by 60. So what is the consumption of D? 8 liters. See, mileage is 60 liters, 60 kilometers per liter. So 480 kilometers by 60 means 8 liters is D's consumption. What is A plus B's consumption? D is 18%. D is 18%. That is equal to 8 liters. I want consumption of A and B. 20 plus 16, 36%. So what is A plus B consumption? Double number. 18 double 36. So 8 double 16 liters. Cost of 1 liter. 100 rupees. 16 liters. 16 into 100. 1600. 1600 is choice 3. D traveled 480 kilometers per liter, 60 kilometers. Number. So 8 liters is the D. What you called consumption. A plus B consumption 16%, 36%. So double number 16 liters. 1 liter 100 rupees means 16 liters 1600. Okay. Next question. Distance traveled by another bike G. G we don't have my here. G is 720 kilometers, which is 25% more than distance traveled by D. If I take D and G, if D is 100, G is 25% more. So 125. So this 125 is given as 720 kilometers. Distance traveled by D is 100 kilometers. How much? D distance traveled will be 100 into 720 by 125. 25 fours, 25 fives. 5 ones, 5, 22. 5 fours, 20. So how much of 560 plus 576 kilometers? D distance is 576 kilometers. What's the question? Quantity of fuel consumed by E and F. D 576 kilometers means what is the consumption of D? D consumption, simple number. Mileage of the bike 60 kilometers per liter. 1 liter I'll go 60 kilometers. 576 kilometers means by 60. So cancel 0, put a point. 6 nines are 54, 36, 6 6 are 9.6 liters is its consumption. D 9.6, we need to find out quantity of fuel consumed by E and F. D is 18%. 18%, 9.6 liters. Consumption by E and F. 24 plus 2, 36%. How much? Double number. If I double is 18 plus 1.2, 19.2 liters. 19.2 liters. Choice 3. $19.2 liters. Any questions? 32 you want to take screenshot. Take this. Take this. This is 32. Okay, fine. Look at 35. In the week, if the difference between quantity of fuel consumed by bikes B and E is 6 liters. Okay, difference in quantity consumed 6. Find the distance traveled by bike A. B and E difference. B 16%, E 24%. Difference is 8%. 8% is 6 liters. Consumption of A is 20%. 20%. How much? Right? So you can do cross multiplication 20 into 6 by 8, 4 twos, 4 fives, 2 goes 3 times, 15 liters. Orally also I can do. If I do 1 by 4, 2% will be, if I do 1 by 4, 2%, 1 by 4 of 6 is 1.5. 20% into 10 times you do 15 liters. 20%, 15 liters. So 15 liters means, what's the distance traveled? Ma? 1 liter. What's the mileage? Ma? Mileage is 60 kilometers per liter. So 15 liters means 15 into 60. 900 kilometers. Choice 5. So difference in consumption of B and E. B, E consumption difference 8%, 6 liters. A consumption 20%, how much? 15 liters. Into 60, 1 liter 60 kilometers, into 60 you do 900 kilometers. That's the distance traveled by A. Okay. Any questions here? Correct. Let's move ahead. Right. This I'll give you timer. You try this. 36 to 40. This is a caselet. This is RRB PO. These are recent exam. 2021 prelim exam case. This why specifically I have taken this is rest of the caselets will be simple mark. This caselet generally IBPS PO, SBA PO you have Venn diagram based caselets. RRB also you have, but very rare. But last year he has specifically given 3 Venn diagram based caselets. So you have to put this in the form of Venn diagram. These values, if you put this in the form of Venn diagram, then only you will be able to solve the questions. Otherwise, it is difficult. Right? So take some time. This is the entire information. You have to take a Venn diagram. So they are running 3 different exams now. Bank, SSC, railways. Right? So try this. I'll give you 5 minutes. Try this, then we'll listen. Got it, ma? So 3 exams, Rama. I'll read the data a little later. Just try and understand the regions first. That is very important, right? So let me take next slide. I have 3 exams, Rama. Bank, SSC, railways. So bank, SSC, railways. Region 1, Region 2, Region 3, Region 4, Region 5, Region 6, Region 7. You can see 7 different areas. You have to understand this one. What is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5? Don't add and tell me it's 12. I'm not asking numbers. If I add these 4 regions, 1, 2, 4, 5, it is equal to bank. What is 1 ma? Only bank. See here, I can say only bank. Only bank. It is same as bank but not SSC and railways. Bank is circle but not SSC and railways. Remove SSC and railways. So I'll get this, right? Now, what is 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6? SSC. What is 3? Only SSC. Right? 3 is only SSC. Otherwise, I can say SSC but not bank and railways. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. These 4 regions is railways. What is 7? Only railways. 7 only railways. Alright. Or I can say railways but not bank and SSC. 5 all 3 exams. Right. What is 2 plus 5? Bank and SSC. What is 2? Only bank and SSC. Only bank and SSC. I can also say bank and SSC but not railways. Another terminology, that's all, but not railways. Bank and SSC means this portion. This indicates only bank and SSC, or I can say bank and SSC but not railways. Remove railways, this portion, this circular, remove this. So only bank and SSC or bank and SSC but not railways. 5 and 6, this region, 5 and 6. This is SSC and railways. What is 6 ma? Only SSC and railways. That means except SSC and railways, there is no other region. Or I can say SSC and railways but not bank. Okay, 4 plus 5, this region, 4 and 5. Bank and railways. Alright, so what is 4? Only bank and railways. Only bank and railways, this portion. Or I can say bank and railways but not SSC. So clear once, this circle is bank, only bank. SSC, only SSC. Railways, only railways. This is bank and SSC, only bank and SSC. 4 and 5, bank and railways, only bank and railways. 5 and 6, SSC and railways. 6 is only SSC railways. 5 is all 3 regions. Now, one more point. People are writing exactly one exam or only one exam. This one. only bank, only SSC, only railways. People who read exactly 2 exams, bank and SSC, bank and railways, SSC and railways. People who read all 3 exams. So this region 137, people who read only 1 exam or exactly 1 exam. That is only bank, only SSC, only railways. 2 tick marks, exactly 2 exams. People who read bank and SSC only, bank and railways, SSC and railways. This is all 3, right? So take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. We'll take up the set now. Right. Let me have explained the regions. Let me erase this. Now we have bank, SSC, railways. Bank, SSC, railways. Okay, let us read the data now. Total of 1220 aspirants appeared for 3 different exams. So total 1220 aspirants. Total 1220 students. Right. Each aspirant appeared for at least 1 exam. They are writing either 1 exam or 2 exams or all 3 exams. Some of them write only 1 exam, some of them write 2 out of 3, some of them will write all 3. Let us look at next point. Number of aspirants who appeared for all 3 exams is 40. All 3 exams is this region. This is 40. Okay. Number of aspirants who appeared for at least 2 exams. This is important. Number of aspirants who appeared for at least 2 exams is 210. What do you mean by at least 2 exams? At least 2 means minimum 2. At least 2 is nothing but 2 or more exams. So that implies I have 2 exams here plus all 3 exams here. The total of these 2 students who are writing 2 exams and all 3 exams is 210. That's the given information. So this is students who write 1 exam, exactly 1 exam. This is the region where students write 2 exams. I'm putting 2 marks, 2 tick marks. And wherever you find 3 tick marks here, this portion, this is students who write all 3 exams. Wherever you find single tick mark, 1 exam, 2 tick marks, 2 exams, this is all 3 exams. So at least 2 means minimum 2 or greater than 2. Here, at least 2 exams means 2 exams or more. So 2 exams or more means 2 exams and 3 exams. That means these 3, 1, 2, 3, these 4 areas together is 210. I know this is 40. I don't know these 3. Okay, let us leave it. Next point. Number of aspirants who appeared for only railway exam 340. 206 aspirants appeared for only SSC. Only railway 340. This is only railways 340. Complete railways, this portion only railways. This is only SSC 206. 206 aspirants appeared for only SSC. This is SSC, right? Only SSC is 206. Okay. 30% of total aspirants appeared for SSC. 30% of the total number of aspirants appeared for SSC. So SSC total is 30% of total. So 10% 122, 30%. 3 into 122. Sorry, 122. 3 into 122. 366. How many applied for SSC exam? 366. 366 is sum of these 4 regions together. Okay. Number of aspirants. Next point. Number of aspirants who appeared for both bank and SSC but not railway. Both bank and SSC but not railway is equal to number of aspirants who appeared for both railway and SSC but not bank. I told you now, bank and SSC but not railways. It is equal to, this is bank and SSC now. This portion, bank and SSC but not railways. That means he is talking about this portion, only bank and SSC. Next, A railway and SSC, but not bank. A railway and SSC. I have explained this one earlier, but not bank. A railway and SSC. A railway, this is the question. Railway and SSC, these two regions. But not bank. I don't want bank. So it is talking about this region. So it is only railway and SSC. These two regions are, is saying that equal. This region here. These two are equal. Now see here, this is 366. Now this circle 366 minus these two is subtract 246. I got 120. Sum of these two. We know that these two are equal. So divided by 2. 120 by 2 means each region is 60. This is 60. This is 60. Right? Now I have one more clue here. 2 exams plus 3 exams. Students who are writing 2 exams, at least 2 or more. That is 2 exams and 3 exams is 210. That means these 4 regions is 210. So 210, I know 3 regions sum. 100 plus 60, 160. 210 minus 160, the remaining region is 50. Right, you can put railways here. Railways here you can put. No? So we can also put only bank. That is only thing left over. No? If I add all these, it must be equal to 1220. This is my total number of students. Add this one 60, 40, 100, 60, 50, 110, 210, 216, 416, 456, 756. So 1220 minus 756. This is my only bank. $64, 464 is the difference. Right? This is only bank. You got the point? 2 exams plus 3 exams, 210. So 60, 60, 140, 120 plus 160. Remove this 50. Now we need only this value. If I add all this, it must be 1220. Add all this, it is 756. Subtract from 1220, this is 464. I can put railway total number 90, 150, 490. I can put 60, 50, 110, 150. If I add 150, so 50 if I add 514, 614. Right? These are the values for. Any questions you can ask me. I have copied the same pie chart here. 464, 60, 206, 50, 40, 60, 340, 614, 366, 490. Right? The same pie chart I have copied here. Venn diagram. Right? Any questions now? Correct. 464 bank. Right. Any questions? Hope this is clear, all of you. Once this is clear, you can solve the questions. See, what is important in this particular set is solving the questions. Getting the data. Once you get the data, you can solve the questions easily. There is nothing great in questions. How can 246? Where is 246? Where 246? Where 246? Where did I get 246? Anubhav? Where is 246? Where? Up means where? Achha, this one you are talking about. Okay. See, SSC is 366. That means sum of these 4 regions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Already we know these two, right? 206 plus 40 is 246. Subtract 246, 120. The sum of these two. These two are equal. So by 2, if I do 66. Okay. First question 50. Abhinaya. Okay. How many aspirants appeared for only bank and railways? Only bank and railways. This portion 50. Correct. Correct. 37. Correct, Bharti. 37. Number of aspirants who appeared for only the bank exam, it is 464. is what approximate percentage of number of students who applied for only railway exam? By 340 into 100. More than 100%. All of them are more than 100%. Okay. See, they're quite far away. I can actually write like this. 340 by 340 into 100 is 100% now. Right. Plus how much extra I have if I remove 340? 124 by 340. This is what percentage I have to find out. Right. 10%. I'm calculating this. 10%, 34. 20%, 68. 30%, 102. 40%, 136. So I need 124. It is between 30 and 40. So it should be 30 and 40 means my answer should be between 130 to 140. Between 130 and 140, I have only one option, 136. You understood the calculation? Correct. So I'm taking 340 by 345 at 100%. So how much extra I have? 124. 124 forms what percentage? It is between 30 and 40. So my answer should be between 130 to 140. 136. That's the only option. Ratio of number of aspirants who appeared for only bank and railway exams together. Only bank and railway is 50. To aspirants who appeared for all three is 40. It's a simple question. 50 is to 40, 5 is to 4. Choice 2. Right. Next question. How many aspirants appeared for only one exam? This I have told you. Wherever I'm putting tick mark, single mark, is only one exam. The 2 tick marks, exactly 2 exams. 3 tick marks, exactly 3 exams. Only one exam. 464 plus 206 plus 340. 110, 48, 10, 10. 1010 is third option. Correct one. Right. So one more set, ma. Correct, Anbu. Correct, Abhinay. One more set. I'm not solving that. You can take a screenshot, ma. This is also caselet 41 to 45. This is your homework, ma. This is RRB Clerk 2021 Prelim exam mode. Right. So 41st question, second option. Take a screenshot. 41 is second option. 42 is first option. 43 is fourth option. That data you simplify, put it in a form of a table, you'll get all the questions. 44 is fifth option. 45 is third option. Right. So we'll stop here, ma. You're done with the reasoning puzzles, ma, last week. We have uploaded that. If anybody have missed that, ma, we have uploaded that on the YouTube channel, ma. These are YouTube channel, ma. Time for bank exams. This is a YouTube channel, ma. Please do subscribe to this YouTube channel, ma. There we uploaded reasoning webinar, ma. This one also we will upload, ma. DA also. Right. So anything specifically you're looking, ma. I think if you're not attended puzzles, you can watch it in YouTube, ma. This is DI, ma. Anything other webinars which you want, ma? For great, anything else, any other area you want, ma? For your RRB prelims? Any other topics you want for the webinar? One we have done this DI, another we have done puzzles. For these two are important for your prelim exams. You have done. English you want? Okay, fine. Okay, Abhinaya. English one we'll do. I'll make a note. English. Okay. Anything else? Based on that, I'll send a mail. We'll create that and we'll send a mail to all the subscribers so that you can attend. Anything else by any other topics? Even reasoning or quant or English, anything specific you want? right there. So any questions? Number series you want, and what is that supplication? Okay. Any questions? Otherwise, so I'll plan for an English webinar. I'll inform you guys through email. You can register and attend. Ma. So any other questions? Ma? Otherwise, I'll wind up. Ma. Take care, all of you, and always wear a mask when you go out. Ma. So be careful. Ma. No questions, right? Abhinay. Chalo. Take care of yourself. Ma. Anubhav, Bharti, Likita, Nandita. Thank you, all of you. Abhinaya, Palak, Desai, Pavitra, Ramya, Richa, Rose Thomas, Rohit. Take care, ma. Okay. I'll see, Palak, they say what else I can do. Simplification and see, simplification and approximation means you want questions to be solved, or you want speed math techniques to be discussed. Separate class for how to solve this, or you want questions to be discussed. Fine. Basically, questions you have to take. We'll discuss. So number series and simplification approximation and in English. Fine. We'll take them. Chalo, we'll inform you through mail. Good night, all of you. Bye, Abhinay. Bye, Palak. Palak Desai. Bye. Good night. Good night, all of you. Good night, Anubhav. Good night, Abhinay.